Hello everyone, welcome to a new video from MEP Work channel. Today we will know how to size chilled water pipes in HVAC systems with McQuay Pipe Sizer. First, if you don't have the software, you can download it from mapwork.com website, and the download link is in the description. And to apply our calculation, we made this example for chilled water network. These are the fan coil units, and these are the chilled water pipes, supply and return. The total coil load and the chilled water flow rate are mentioned beside each fan coil unit. We have only two types of fan coil units, FCU01 and FCU02. They are repeated two times, FCU01 and FCU02. Let's start sizing. Now we have McQuay Pipe Sizer software. In this drop-down menu, we select the chilled water pipe material. In our example, it's Schedule 40 steel. And in this menu, we select the type of fluid and its temperature. In our example, it will be 50 degree Fahrenheit water, which is 10 degrees Celsius. From this menu, we select the pipe size in inch. And from this cell, we get the maximum flow rate. This is the maximum flow rate relevant to the size. On the left side, these parameters are related to pipe material and size, like pipe outside diameter, pipe thickness, pipe inside diameter, and many more. On the upper right side, these parameters are related to fluid type, like fluid density, fluid viscosity, specific heat, and energy factor. And if you change the flow rate, nothing changes in this value. Nothing changed. On the lower right side, these parameters are related to fluid flow rate, like fluid velocity and head loss. Let's go back to our example. This FCU needs 2.37 GPM. This one needs 8.32 GPM. So the total is 10.69 GPM. And this one needs 2.37 GPM. So the total of the three fan coil units is 13.06 GPM. And this one needs 8.32 GPM. And the total of the four FCUs is 21.38 GPM. We need to find the size of each pipe, supply and return. For sizing the pipes, look at this FCU. It needs 2.37 GPM. So go back to pipe sizer. Which pipe size can carry 2.37 GPM? Half inch carries 1.4 GPM. So this is not accepted as it's not enough. Go to the upper side, 3/4 inch. This pipe size can carry 3 GPM. It's greater than 2.37 GPM, so this size is accepted. But important things you must take in consideration is the fluid velocity and the head loss. From ASHRAE recommendation, pipe size less than 2 inches, the fluid velocity shall not exceed 4 feet per second. And for pipe size greater than 2 inches, friction loss shall not exceed 4 foot per 100 foot. So go back to the example. The fluid velocity is 1.8 foot per second. And this size is less than 2 inches. So it is accepted for fluid velocity. Go back to the example and put the size on the chilled water supply and return, it will be 3/4 inches. Let's find this size also. 8.32. Go to pipe sizer. 8.32 needs try the 1-inch pipe. It can carries 5.6 GPM, so it's not accepted. Try the upper size, 1¼ inch. It can carries 12 GPM. 12 GPM is greater than 8.32, so this size is accepted. But look at the velocity and the head loss. This size is less than 2 inches, so we will take the velocity parameter in consideration. The velocity is less than 4 foot per second, so this also is accepted. Put the size 1¼ inches. Chilled water supply and chilled water return. Go to this FCU. It's 2.37. It's like this, so it will be the same size. Let's go to this one. 10.69. This size also will be 1¼ inches, as it is less than 12 GPM. So this also will be 1¼ inches. Chilled water supply and chilled water return. Go to this section. 13.06 GPM. Go to pipe sizer. Take the upper size. It can carries 18 GPM. 1½ inch can carries 18 GPM. So this is enough. But look at the velocity. 2.84 foot per second. It's accepted as it is less than 4 foot per second. And also the pipe size is less than 2 inches. This FCU is the same with this one, so it will have the same size, 1¼ inch. The final section, which carries the all fan coil unit after it, and it is the sum of all fan coil units. The water flow rate is 21.38 GPM. Go to pipe sizer. This size is not accepted. Take the upper size, 2 inches. It can carry up to 35 GPM, so this size is accepted. And also the fluid velocity is less than 4 foot per second and also is accepted, so this size is enough. 2 inches. What happens if this size is 3 inches? We will look at 3 inches and look at the velocity. It is greater than 4.43, But this is not the parameter. The parameter in this case is the head loss. Shall not exceed 4 foot per 100 foot. In this case, it's 2.5. So this size is accepted also. Also, you can size the chilled water pipes with this chart. This is the friction loss feet of water per 100 feet. And this is the water flow rate in GPM. This is the pipe size in inch. And the red lines are the pipe size. For example, put the flow rate on this axis. For example, 10 GPM. Select the pipe size, for example, 2 inches. So the 2 inch and the 10 GPM will have intersection with the red line of 1 feet per second velocity and 0.2 feet of water per 100 feet, and these parameters are accepted. Let's take another size. For water flow of 60 GPM, select a pipe size of 4 inches, for example. So this is the intersection. This point is the intersection. The flow velocity will be 2.2 feet per second, and the friction loss will be about 0.4 feet of water per 100 feet, and this also is accepted. These are the two methods for pipe sizing. We used the McQuay Pipe Sizer and the pipe sizing chart for schedule for steel. Now we finished our video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video, and see you in the next video.